Hi dear friends, welcome to channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert tick mark or any symbol on Microsoft Excel. Before we start the video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit the like button on this video. So let's get started the video. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your Excel. After that, open any document. Suppose I want to add tick mark before this line. So what I need to do, just go to Insert from the bar. Then go to Symbol. After that, in the font, type Webdings and hit the Enter. Here you can see I have got lots of symbols. If I scroll down, as you can see, I have got tick icon here. For Add It, first select this one and click on Insert. Also, like this way, you can add cross symbol or any other symbols. So friends, that is how you can insert tick mark on Microsoft Excel document. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.